Hey friends, if you wish to remove last modified by order in MS Word, then please watch this video. I'll tell you later why this is important, but first how. So you will save this file, save, browse, and then I will save it at any location of my choice. Okay. And once it is saved, I'll go to the saved file. I will right click on it. Okay. And then I'll select show more options and then I'll select properties and then I'll go to details and I'll click on remove properties and personal information and then I will select orders. Okay, and then I'll click on OK. It will remove that part. Now I'll tell you later. Now I'll tell you why this is important. So when I create a document and when I modify a document, it saves my credentials and they will remain with it no matter what I do, no matter who I share it with, no matter how many times I change it will remain there unless I remove it this way. So this is like tag marking me. But if you want to remove it for privacy reasons, then this is the way. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.